In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate the Binance anti-phishing code to better protect your account from fake emails and scam attempts. Whether you're worried about phishing attacks or you simply want extra peace of mind when receiving emails from Binance, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Binance mobile app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the app, look toward the top corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. From here, you'll see several account-related options, so take your time and look for the one labeled Security. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important settings. Next, tap on Security and scroll through the available protection features. Here, you'll find an option called Anti-Phishing Code. This feature helps you verify whether an email is truly from Binance or not. Go ahead and select it, and then tap on Create Code to begin setting it up. You'll now be prompted to enter a custom phrase that will appear in every official email Binance sends you. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your phrase is unique, easy for you to recognize instantly, and not something obvious like your name or date of birth. Also, avoid sharing this code with anyone else. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary security risks. Once you've entered your custom phrase, carefully review it and then tap Confirm to save it. After that, your anti-phishing code will be activated immediately. From this point on, every legitimate email from Binance will include your personalized phrase, allowing you to confirm its authenticity at a glance without any confusion. It's also a good idea to regularly check your emails for this code and stay alert if you ever receive a message that doesn't include it. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your personal information and funds safe. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to activate the Binance anti-phishing code easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who want to stay safe on Binance. Why not help someone avoid a scam today?